Okay, come back in. I'll just start or edit it.
Well, you might not hear.
So your your friend was a proctologist,
It still is.
and he went to see the sights in Hawaii.
Well, we had a pretty good picnic there. They had a convention. So, he hadn't seen him for quite a while. Friend.
So did he?
You're right, don't laugh.
Did he ever go to the beach to watch the sunrise?
I don't know, he was more interested in the moon, actually. Stop it! We have great control, you know. I wrote the joke 40 years ago and I can't stop laughing since.
Hold on a second.
Oh.